Good afternoon. The Everest 10 from Redcat. Screaming huge wheels. I was impressed with the price. I says, no way. Look at this thing. Look at the articulation in this buggy. You can pretty much twist it in half. Just, boy, made to do what it does. Not a speed demon by any means, but the articulation, the shocks, tires are just huge. Clips on the side, kind of diff. So we're going to see how she tears up. Now look at this. Full 4-link suspension. I mean, 4-link. No frame, just twist. In case you haven't noticed, we did change the wheels over. These are the ones that are supposed to be on it. They're fun, but I just wanted to try these. These are probably 120s. These are a lot bigger. But I'm going to put them back on just because I stole them from another buggy. Put on there. That's another thing I like about the Redcat products is all the wheels are interchangeable on all of our Redcat products, which is kind of fun just to play.
All night long.
And again, just like all my other Redcat products, I go ahead and put a little dab of Loctite on that servo screw, because that takes a lot of abuse and it's loosened up. So you want to do that. Again, go through, tighten up, you know, anything that you can see, which comes with routine maintenance on them as well. Just keep them snugged up. setup for the battery. Apparently there is an optional rear steer option for this buggy as well. Be curious to see what that does and how much it costs. So there you have it. Redcat Everest 10 monster truck crawler. If you want to crawl, this is what it does. She's not a speed demon by any means, but it will climb just about everything. $179. Boy, for the money and what it does, 10 out of 10. Or wait, 5 stars. 5 out of 5 stars for this. The only thing I did was I went with the beadlock wheels. The ones that were on there were just so big. I'm going to use those in another project. These, they're softer, and it just takes it all, and it still don't look so bad. These are, I think, 120s on this, 110s. So anyway, there you get it. There you get it.
There you get it.
You get it?
You get it.
I get it.
I get it. Oh, dude, you gotta...
Back!
Ah!